last class we have seen, so what is the GP? So the general term of GP, and we have solved some problems on nth term of GP, and some we are finding 7th term, 10th term and 15th term, right? So now we'll solve some more problems on the next topic, right? So find the GP, see, solve some more problems. Find the GP whose fifth term is 48 and 8th term is 384. See. So in order to find GP, the two parameters we are going to find is A and R. So that is the first term and common ratio. So if we know the first term and common ratio, next we can find GP very easily, right? So the parameters in GP are A and R. So the parameters in AP are A and D, right? So by using, so they are given two parameters. What are the two parameters they are given? Fifth term. So that is fifth term, that is A5 is equal to how much it is? 48, right? Similarly, 8th term is given. What is 8th term? That is 384. So they are given the two parameters, that is 5th term and 8th term. By using these two parameters, we need to find the values of A and R, right? How to find CN? So what is nth term? Nth term formula is AR raised to n minus 1, right? So put n is equal to 5. So when you put n is equal to 5, so that is A5 is equal to AR raised to, so that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So that is AR raised to 4 is equal to A5. What is A5? It is 48. So that is one equation. We are getting one equation, right? So similarly, put n is equal to 8. So that is an is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. So now we know A8. So that is 8th term. So put n is equal to 8. When you put n is equal to 8, so that is AR raised to 8 minus 1 is 7. So therefore, AR raised to 7 is equal to 8. That is 384. So that is second term. Now we know the two equations. So that is AR power 4 is 48. AR power 7 is 384. By using these two equations, we need to find the values of A and R, right? So how to find C? So Z. So now I will divide equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. Now I will do equation 2 divided by equation 1. What is equation 2? That is AR power 7 divided. What is equation number 1? That is AR power 4. So second equation is AR power 7 divided by first equation is AR power 4, which is equal to 384 divided by 48. Now this A will get cancelled, right? So this A will get cancelled. Now it is R power 4. This is what is left here? R cube, right? So now A will get cancelled. Here R power is 7. Here R power is 4. Therefore 4 will get cancelled. We left with R cube. Now see here. Now it is C. 4. See here. So 4 9s are 36. Right. So 2 left here. 24. 4 6 are 24. Now here it is 4 1s are 4 2s are. Right. Similarly 12 1s are 12 8s are 96. So therefore R cube is equal to how much it is? 8. Right. So when we 384 divided by 48 is how much it is? 8. Since R cube is 8, that is R cube is equal to 8, we can write it as 2 cube. Right. So R cube is equal to 8. That 8 we can write it as 2 cube. When base is same, when power is same, in both the side power is 3, then that base must be same. So this implies, what is the value of R? What is the value of R? That R must be 2. Right? So just to divide equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. What is equation number 2? AR power 7 is equal to 384 divided by AR power 4 is equal to 48. So A will get cancelled. So that is R cube is equal to 384 divided by 48 is equal to how much it is? 8. So that 8 we can write it as 2 cube. When power is same, that base must be same. What is the value of R? 2. So by using this R value, next we have to find value of A. Substitute this R value in equation number 1 or equation number 2. We will get the same answer. I will substitute here. So that is AR power 4 is equal to how much it is? 48. Substitute the value of R. So that is A into R. What is R value? R value is 2. That is 2 power 4 is equal to 48. A into, what is 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is 16. So that is C. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. A into 16 is equal to 48. So then what is A? 48 divided by 16. Now it is 16 ones are 16 threes are. So therefore value of A is 3. So A value is 3 and R value is 2. So now the required GP, see, the required GP, I will write the GP. First we have to write the first term. What is the first term is? 3. Required GP is, so first we have to write the first term. What is first term? 3. Then we have to multiply the common ratio to each term. Right? So already explained in the last class. So 3 into 2 is 6. Next again this 6 into 2 is 12. So next 12 into 2 is 24. And so on. This is the required GP. Right? So first we will find the values of A and R. So fifth term is given by using AN formula. Put N is equal to 5. We are getting one equation, that is AR power 4 is equal to 48. Again using the AN formula, put N is equal to 8. We are getting AR power 7 is equal to 384. By solving these two equations, we should find the values of A and R. Right? So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So that is AR power 7 divided by AR power 4 equal to 384 divided by 48. So this A will get cancelled. So R cube is equal to 8. So this 8 I can write it as 2 cube. Now power is same, we can equate the base. So that is R is equal to 2. Right? So when by substituting this R value in equation number 1 or 2, we will get the value of A. Right? So AR power 4 is 48. What is R value? 2. 2 power 4 is 16. So A value is 48 divided by 16 is 3. Therefore A value is 3. R value is 2. So then what is required GP? First write the first term. So that is 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24 and so on. Right? So this is the required GP. Right? Next. Next problem, see. Next problem. If the third term of a GP is C, if the third term of a GP is 4 and find the product of is 4, find the product of first 5 terms. Right, so find the third term of a GP is 4, find the product of first 5 terms. Right? See it. So what is given? Third term. What is third term? That is A3. What is A3? A3 is 4. So third term is A3. So what is A3? What is AN? AN is equal to AR raised to N minus 1. So put N is equal to 3 here. So A3 is equal to AR raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore AR square is equal to how much it is? 4. So let us take it as 1. Right, so A3, that is third term is 4. So what is third term? By using AN formula, find the third term. Right, so what is AN? AR raised to N minus 1. Put N is equal to 3 here. So when you put N is equal to 3, so AR raised to 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. So therefore A3 is AR square is equal to 4. Right, so now we have to find the product of first 5 terms. Already we know the in general what is the first term in GP, it is A. What is the next term? AR. What is the next term? AR square. Next it is AR cube. Next it is AR power 4. These are the first 5 terms. Right? First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term AR cube, fifth term is AR power 4. Now we have to find the product of all these 5 terms. Product of first 5 terms. Right? We can write here. See. Now we have to find product of first 5 terms. First 5 terms. See. Product of first 5 terms. What is first term? A. Second term is AR. Now it is AR square, AR cube into AR power 4. So that is A into A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5. Into C. R into R square, R cube, R power 6, R power 10. Right? So now this A power 5 into R power 10, this we can write it as AR square whole power 5. So this A power 5, R power 10, so that I can write it as AR square whole power 5. Now when you expand it, A power 5, R square whole power 5, that is also R power 10. But what is AR square from 1? What is the value of AR square from 1? It is 4. Substitute here. So that is AR square. What is the value of AR square? It is 4. So therefore it is 4 power 5. So just to write, this is from equation number 1. So this is product of first 5 terms. Right, so we can expand 4 into 4 power 5, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, right? Or we can say keep the answer as it is, that is 4 power 5, right? So product of first 5 terms, so that is nothing but a power 5 into r power 10. So that a power 5 into r power 10, I can write it as ar square 4 power 5. So what is ar square? Ar square, our value already we got, because the third term is given. What is third term? Ar square. Ar square value is 4. Substitute that value here, so we are getting the answer, that is 4 power 5. So this is a product of first 5 terms, right? So next problem. Next here. Next problem, see. If the first and the third term, of a GP are 2 and 8 respectively, find the second term. Find the second term. See, next problem. If the first and the third term of a GP are 2 and 8 respectively, find the second term. Right? See here, so what is the first term? See. First term is equal to A1, so that is equal to A. What is that value? It is 2. Right? So what is the second term? What is the second term? Second term is A2, so that is nothing but what it is? AR. Because nth term is AR raised to n minus 1. When you put n is equal to 2, we are getting AR raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the third term? Third term is equal to A3. So what is the third term? Third term is how much it is? 8. Right? So this is the given data. Now we have to find the second term. Second term means it is A into R. Right? So the first term is A1, that is A. So that is 2. Second term is A2, that is A into R. We have to find. So third term is what it is? AR square. So third term is AR square. So that value is how much it is? 8. So that is given. So now already we know that since the given the 3 terms are in GP, we know that the common ratio must be same. What is the common ratio? So that is second term divided by first term. That must be equal to third term divided by second term, because in the problem they have given this is a GP. When it is a GP, common ratio must be same. Second term by first term must be equal to third term by second term. What is the second term? Second term is AR divided by first term. What is the first term? First term is 2. Similarly, see it. What is third term? Third term is 8 divided by second term. What is second term? It is AR. Right? Second term by first term must be equal to third term by second term. What is second term? Second term we don't know, that is AR divided by first term is given, that is 2. Similarly, it's A3. A3 is given, that is 8 divided by A2 is A into R. Now do the cross multiplication. A square R square is equal to 2 into 8 is 16. But we know the value of A. What is the value of A? That is 2. We know the value of A, that is 2. Substitute here. So 2 square into R square is equal to 16. Right? So therefore 2 square is 4 into R square is equal to 16. What is R square? 16 by 4 is 4. What is the value of R? Value of R is plus or minus 2. Right? So therefore we know the value of A. A value is first term is given, that is 2. So therefore 2 square into R square is equal to 16. What is 2 square? 4 into R square is 16. What is R square? 16 by 4, that is 4. R value is plus or minus 2. We have to find the second term. See here. What is the second term? Second term is A into R. First I will take the value of A is 2 and R value as plus 2. We have plus or minus 2. Therefore first I will take R value as plus 2. What is the second term? Second term is equal to A into R, that is 2 into 2 is 4. Next I will take the first term is 2 and common ratio I will take it as minus 2. So first I will take A is to R is plus 2. Next I will take A is to R value is minus 2. Here also, what is the second term? Second term is A into R. So that is 2 into minus 2 is minus 2. So we have two possible answers. So that second term may be plus 4 or second term can be minus 4. So we are getting two answers. Why? Because we are getting R value. What is R value? It is plus or minus. Right? In this problem, first term is given, third term is given. We need to find the value of second term. So first term is A, that is 2. Second term is A into R, we don't know. So third term is AR square, that is 8. So second term divided by first term must be equal to third term divided by second term. So substitute the value. So when you substitute the value of A, we are getting the R value. What is that R value? Plus or minus 2. Right? So R value, take first one, R value as 2. We are getting the second term is 4. Next, take the R value as minus 2. We are getting the second term as minus 4. So this is how we can find. Right? Next problem. See. Next problem. See. If the fourth, see, the fourth, 7th and 10th terms of GPR A, B, C respectively, prove that B square is equal to A into C. See, if the fourth, 7th and 10th terms of a GP are A, B, C respectively, prove that B square equal to AC. See, so here I will take the first term of GP, I will take it as A, that is capital A, because already small a is given. So just to make the different in notations, I will assume the first term as capital A, and common ratio I will take it as capital R. Let us assume. Right? So first, instead of small a and small r, I am taking capital A and capital R, right? Because the small letters are already given in the problem. Just to make the difference, I am taking the capital letters, right? So what is here? Fourth term. So A4. What is n? First I will write nth for n. En, what is n? It is AR raised to n minus 1. Since I am taking the capital letters, that is AR raised to n minus 1. So this is the nth term. Right? So instead of small letters, I am taking capital letters. Therefore, nth term is AR raised to n minus 1. So first one is fourth term is given. What is fourth term? So what is fourth term is A. Right? So next 7th term is given. What is 7th term is B. So next 10th term. What is 10th term is C. Right? So 4th, 7th and 10th terms are A, B, C respectively. So 4th term is A, that is A4 is A. Next 7th term is B, A7 is B. 10th term is C, that is A10 is C. Right? By using an formula, put n is equal to 4 here. When you put n is equal to 4, so that is AR raised to n minus 1. What is n value? 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. AR cube is equal to A. Right? Similarly, you put n is equal to 7. When you put n is equal to 7, AR raised to 7 minus 1. What is 7 minus 1? 6. That value is how much it is? B. Next to A10. So put n is equal to 10. So that is AR power. So put n is equal to 10. AR for 10 minus 1 is 9. So that value is C. That value is C. Right? So now we have to prove that B square is equal to A into C. So I will take the RHS. I will take the RHS then. In this expression, I will take the RHS. What is RHS? That is A into C. What is RHS? That is A into C. Substitute the value of A. What is A? What is small a? Already we know the small a value is A into R cube. Into C. What is C value? It is AR power 9. Right? So see, call this as 1. So this is 2 and this is 3. Right? So RHS, I am taking RHS. What is RHS? RHS is A into C. Right? Substitute the value of small a. What is A? That is AR cube. Substitute here. So C, what is C value? AR power 9. So therefore RHS is equal to A into A is A square. R cube into R power 9. R cube into R power 9 is R power 12. So A into A is A square. R cube into R power 9 is R power 12. So this A square into R power 12, I can write it as AR power 6 whole square. Right? So this A square into r power 12, that I can write it as ar power 6 whole square. So what is ar power 6? What is ar power 6? That is b. So what is ar power 6? Ar power 6 value is b. So that is equal to, now this ar power 6 is b whole square. So which is equal to what? LHS. Right? So a square into r power 12. So that is nothing but we can write it as ar square, ar power 6 whole square. But from 2, here we can write. From equation number 2, I am writing. So from 2, what is from 2? What is ar power 6 value? So ar power 6 value is b. So ar power 6 whole square, that is nothing but b square. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, that is b square is equal to a into b square is equal to a into. So in this problem, just to make the difference, we are using, so first term is capital A, common ratio is capital R. So they have given fourth term. What is fourth term? AR cube is equal to A. Seventh term, AR power 6 is equal to B. 10th term, AR power 9 equal to C. So just take the RHS, A into C, substitute A and C, we are getting A square into R power 12. So this we can write it as AR power 6 whole square. What is AR power 6? So that is B. So that is equal to B square. Right? So these are some problems in second exercise. So try to solve the remaining problems. So remaining things will continue the next. Right? Thank you.